How to create a birthday song with name. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can create a birthday song with name. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you need to open up Google in your device. Tap in the search bar and search for one happy birthday. So you have to tap on the first link on your search results, that is onehappybirthday.com. Tap on it. Now you will get this type of interface. There at the top you will find a text box that says find your name. Tap on it and then search for your name. Tap on the search icon. After that, you will find the exact spelling of your name. So from all of the list of the name, you have to choose your name. Tap on your name. After that, the birthday song for your name is now ready to play. If you tap on the play birthday song button, the music will play in your mobile device. Now, if you want to download the song, tap on the download song and it will be downloaded in your Android device. And once the song is downloaded, now you can play the birthday song with your name. So that's the way to create a birthday song with name, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.